I have a small forest on my property in East Tennessee. I was hoping to plant some flowering shrub plants within. It consists of mostly hardwood trees. Do you have any recommendations? I was thinking of bluebells, but I'm not sure which variety to get and when to plant. And this is Ursula in Knoxville, Tennessee. Beautiful picture, Miss Ursula. I like that picture. God, that looks good. Appreciate the picture.
Wow.
So, Miss Ursula, we just happen to have Miss Joellen with us today, right?
Yes.
Who knows all about planting these annuals and perennials and things like that, and these native plants. So, what say you?
She's right. The bluebells would be beautiful.
Right.
Mayapples would be nice.
Okay.
All sorts of things that can grow in there. Columbine and if you want to do some trees, how about some dogwoods, some redbuds, the downy serviceberry, sweetbay magnolia, the buckeyes. Oh, get some hummingbird action with the red buckeyes. So all of that is understory and at the edge, and looks like there's enough sunlight there in the middle that she can plant a lot of that stuff just under some of the larger trees, and they all look nice together.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.